Hello everybody, it's your boy DJ Koozie. That's my new name now, we're going by that. And I'm bringing you a incredibly different video than my other ones. Don't worry, I'll be having more videos uploaded. I've actually have a lot of videos recorded. I just never got time to edit them. So I will be editing them tomorrow, day after, whenever this video is posted. This will be the first video posted. But I just want to go with something real quick about fixing like games crashing on the Epic Games launcher. I've actually seen a lot of people dealing with this, and I've been dealing with it myself, mainly Dead by Daylight and Fortnite. So a lot of the times I would play Fortnite, I'd be streaming Fortnite. I do have a Twitch, by the way. Here's my Twitch right here, and then I'll leave a link in the description to it. But I do stream often, and I'd be streaming Fortnite. I haven't done it in a while, but I'd be streaming it, and then I'll go into a match. Game crashes. I get an error code from, Epic Games Launcher. Will be like, what's going on? This is ridiculous. So basically, it's really easy to fix this, actually. All you need to do for this is just basically, okay, so let me show you here. I have my desktop right here. There's a couple of steps that you can do. First thing is locate easy anti-cheat. So in your folder right here, here's my folder. This is just thing. Go to this PC and then search right here. You can search for easy anti-cheat. Now you could search for this, however, it takes a very long time. I'm not sure why it takes so long. So what I recommend doing is finding your Epic Games apps folder. Now for me, it's in my external hard drive, but for most of you it might be in your Windows. If it's in your Windows, just go here, go to Program Files times 86, you'll see Epic Games, and then under Epic Games there should be one that says Epic Games Apps. I could be wrong on that, but for me, it's right here, Epic Games Apps. I open this up, and here's all of the ones that are installed. These are all the things that are installed on here, Alien Isolation, Dead by Daylight, Fortnite, so on and so forth. So here, what you can do is just go to any of these. You can go to literally Dead by Daylight, GTA, Fortnite, any of them. All you got to do is go here. You'll see an easy anti-cheat folder. Go here, and then you'll see the setup. All you need to do is double click it, and then a window will pop up saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just hit yes. And then this will open up, easy anti-cheat. Now you could choose from a whole bunch of games that are on the Epic Games, but mainly find the one that you want to fix. So for me, I actually ran into this earlier, so it'll be Dead by Daylight. But if you're playing Fortnite, you have Fortnite right here. But I have Dead by Daylight, so I'm just gonna click Dead by Daylight. It works either way for them. Then you just click Repair Service. Uninstalls, installs, and then it installed successfully. It's pretty quick. Then you just hit finish, it closes. Now next thing you could do is you could close your folder after this. You're done with all of this. Now this one's a little different. Go down here and type in control panel. This should pop up. Open up your control panel, and here yours might not look like this, but it's actually, to get here, all you have to do is from here, just click this arrow, and you'll see multiple things going on. Like now I'm back in my folder. It's all of that. So really, it's kind of easy to work with. So we'll just go back here, and then once you're here, you want to go to Administrative Tools. Click on that. Then this window will pop up. You will find Services right here. So you need to double click that. And then that will bring up this small window, which you can see it goes from A to Z. So what you want to do is you want to find Windows Audio. So you go all the way down to W. Here's my W category. And the first Windows thing is Windows Audio. So here you can see is Windows Audio. So you have two ways of doing this. You have Windows Audio. You can right click and click stop. Or you could just click on this and go up here and click stop up here. It doesn't matter either way. Hey everyone, it's Jeffrey here editing the video. I'd just like to say that Nathan did not point this out. However, I am pointing it out now. Right here, you could clearly see that, you can't hear me. I'm narrating over this. Once you hit Windows Audio, once you hit stop, all the audio stops, so you're not able to hear me anymore. So basically what I'm doing right here is I'm just explaining that once you get into the game Fortnite or Dead by Daylight or whatever you're playing, remember to click start again, and then you'll be able to get into the game. That's when you'll be able to turn your audio back on, because you want to hear game volume, of course. Now, I forgot to turn mine back on for this, so here's the rest of it. This is Jeffrey right now. All right. Peace. So basically, in short terms, what Nathan is doing here is he is going back into Dead by Daylight to show that this is actually working. Right here, a tip is that he's showing that you can verify the files if something messes up. What verifying does is it goes through your files to see if anything is messed up in it, and that's about it. Now he's going to open up the game, and then that's basically pretty much what's going on here. Then all you have to do is, as I mentioned, just go back into services, go all the way down until you see Windows Audio, and as Nathan said, right click. You can hit start audio, or you can go into the top left and hit start according to Nathan. So that's just a point out right here. It's all good. So I hope this helped. Again, if your game does do something randomly that you are not happy about, again, you could just go to the Epic Games launcher and find whatever game you're looking for. All right, whatever game it is. Like for Fortnite, go here, click verify, and there you go. That's everything. So, as I mentioned again, this happened to me on stream multiple times. Hasn't been happening lately. This works for me, might not work for everyone. I apologize if it doesn't work, but let me know if any of you guys are also having this problem. It's mainly only Epic Games, and I don't know what it is with Dead by Daylight, but it doesn't work on Steam either. I don't know what it is, but, it's whatever. So that's all I have to say for this. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I have been streaming. I haven't been uploading videos, I know, but I am streaming. So a lot of the videos that I will be uploading are actually they're VODs from Twitch. So it'll be like originally streamed on blank, this date. So just stay around for that, and I hope you guys were able to get something out of this video. Hopefully, figure out what's going on. I'm gonna have to stick to one topic back on my channel, which will mainly be horror. But, from there on, it's whatever happens. So, have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Peace out.